it on the recording. Questions? Anything? If you don't want to ask it out loud, text me, 512-417-8679. Any questions? So Luana, Samantha, John, Johanna, Mia, Tamiko, Barbara, and 15 others. Here's me. Okay, that's somebody looking for money probably. Any questions?
Do you mind saying what the class code is one more time, please?
The class what?
For the class code for WebAssign, please.
Okay. So I sent an email. You didn't get the email? But I'm going to show you what it is right now. Okay.
I sent it in the messages.
Oh.
Let's here, class key settings right here.
Class key settings.
Okay. Here's the key.
Okay.
Temple, Texas. You have to type Temple, period, TX, space 7038, space 3304.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. I'll send that out again. Okay, so this is my view. And we got 9 students here. I encourage everybody to get on WebAssign as soon as possible. We'll select all, email selected, and so you only get this email if you don't get this email, tell me. I can't type with a hoot. Okay. Okay, that was sent. Okay, are we recording? Yes, we are. So let's go back to WebAssign. And that was roster view. We don't need that. Okay, this is your view again. So what do you have to pay attention to? Due date. Due date. Your calendar. Announcements will show up here. Okay. There'll be practice tests showing up. Oh, here they are. Wow, I got the test there. The test is there. Okay. Cool. These dates may be readjusted, so I just copied this. So just pay attention to these first messages, and I'll be readjusting the calendar. Okay, because I'm gonna put up a schedule too. Okay, so we'll make sure you got enough time, but these dates will be readjusted. So your job is to pay attention to due dates, which can change. There'll be announcement. There's a calendar here. There's resources, important resources down here. Okay. So metric system lab. Okay, let's look at that for a moment. Okay, so the metric system is the way we measure volume, temperature, length, mass in scientific systems. So the base unit of length is the meter, volume is the milliliter, and the gram. Okay, so these are micro means 10 to the minus 6, Milli means 10 to the minus 3, 10 to the minus 2, 10 to the minus 1, 10 to the third. Okay. So you may have to look up some of those, but I'll go through it again. Okay. So go ahead and give this a try and follow these directions, and I'll give you some more information. So suppose you want to convert milligrams per milliliter. You put what you start with, and you have in 1 deciliter, and you multiply by 1, and that cancels, and you get the answer right here. You get 1.2 milligrams divided by 100 per milliliter. Okay, there's more information here. Okay, so let's talk about this some more. Okay, let's get out of here. Okay, so we can go back to Blackboard, and we have the guided notes. And let's talk more about the metric system. I think this may be the same file. Yes, it is. So let's go back here. Let's get rid of that. Minimize this. And we can go into the refresher modules down here. And the recession modules, the metric system right here. So you can study this right here. Here, the metric system. So it's going to take you. So the metric system measures length, mass, and time. These are the prefixes. We're going to tell you how to convert. So you just go ahead and follow this. And it'll take you step by step through the metric system. So if you just do this, it's going to fill in the answers. Okay. So your job is to study that, and there it is right there. So how do we get to that? Let's do that again. So we're back to the course. We go back to the refresher modules, and we go down here, and here's the metric system. So you should study all of these PowerPoints and complete the test. So there'll be a metric system here. There'll be, here's the metric test. You just click on there and you take the test, and you have one try, one little quiz. Okay, so let's go back to here. Let's stop recording. That'll be one. We'll stop.